Are you having problems that your Meta Horizon app is stuck on headset found and you want to be able to try to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually for a couple of weeks I had the exact same problem, but actually now I was able to fix it for myself, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So basically what I did is that I firstly went into my app store on my phone, because I have an iPhone. But by the way, for you that are using an Android, maybe just go into the Google Play Store. It's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide for you as well, just so you know. And in here we're just going to search now for Meta Horizon. Just search for that, scroll down, and see if your blue button in here says, for example, update. For me it said update before, and when I clicked on it and then updated to the latest version for the app, it actually started to work for me after that. So if your open button in here, instead of open it says update, then click on it, wait for it to update, and then go back into the app. So that fixed it for me actually. So you can try to once again reconnect your headset, or connect your headset basically. So try this, and if it says open for you, like if it doesn't say any update or something like that and it still is not working, then I would actually suggest to you to try to actually just restart your phone as an example. Or if you want to, you can remove your Meta Horizon app and then get it again and then log back into your account. Maybe that can also fix this problem for you as well.